Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate A&E TV app. Quick setup step by step clearly. Open the A&E TV app on your device. If you don't have the app, download it from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, launch it. On the welcome screen, you will see the option to log in or activate your account. Select the option to activate or log in. You will be presented with an activation code. Make a note of this code. Now, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Visit the A&E TV activation website. On the activation page, you will be prompted to enter your activation code. Type in the code exactly as it appears on your device. Next, select your TV provider from the list. Log in with your TV provider credentials. If your provider requires additional authentication, follow the prompts to complete that process. Once you have successfully logged in, return to the A&E TV app on your device. You should see a confirmation that your device is now activated. If the app does not refresh automatically, you may need to navigate away and return to the home screen. Enjoy streaming your favorite A&E shows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.